The Yesoul S3 spinning bike is a smart spinning bike with a coach to take you to practice. It's a body adapters piano pen process, which is not only guarantees the visually high-grade grassy texture, but also has the effect of preventing sweat and rust. The accessories are made of ABS frame retardant plastic, which is all this and more environmentally friendly. BMW's same factory seat cushion, high rebound and more comfortable. 0 to 100 resistance, easy to control the intensity, achieve better exercise effect. Say goodbye to the traditional iron flywheel, abandon the traditional frictional resistance method, adopt a magnetic control resistance system and a belt drive system. No friction noise is generated, and the riding is smooth and silent, without worrying about disturbing neighbor and family. The use of a new generation of aluminum ring flywheel not only improves the weight problem of the traditional flywheel, but also cuts the magnetic induction line to generate resistance, which perfectly matches the magnetic control resistance system. The front and lower design of the spinning bike can easily push it to any corner by just lifting it from the back. Covering an area of only a half square meters, it's compact and doesn't occupy any land. It can be used as a home decoration even when not in use. It has a technological style and a stylish and compact appearance. It can be placed anywhere in a home. It can bring sunshine and fresh style to your home environment. How to use: adjust the height of the armrest. Loosen the front column knob with one hand and pull it out. On the other hand, hold the middle part of the armrest and lift it up or press it down. Adjust it to the desired position, then loosen the knob and gently move the column up and down. Let the bouncer be reset, and then turn the knob to the tightest state. For new users, the height of the armrest is slightly higher than the cushion. For experienced users, the armrest and the cushion are in the same height or slightly lower than the cushion. To adjust the height of the seat cushion, use one hand to loosen the rear upright button and pull it out. On the other hand, hold the seat cushion and lift it up or press it down. Adjust it to the desired position, then loosen the knob. Gently pull the column up and down. Let the spring automatically reset, and then tighten the knob to the tightest state. Adjust the cushion back and forth. Loosen the knob under the cushion. Slide the cushion back and forth, adjust to the desired position, and screw the knob to the tightest state. How to adjust the cushion seat that suits you. Pull your feet together. Stand straight on the side of the car seat. Adjust the cushion to the same height as the hip joint. Then, sit on the car seat. Step on the pedal with your heel. Stop it in the direction of the crank perpendicular to the ground, so that your knees are softly bent. Next is to adjust the front and back position of the cushion. Put the right shoe into the foot cover. Step on the pedal and stop it in a direction parallel to the ground, so that the front of the knee joint and the pedal are in a vertical line, which is the correct position. Adjust the level of the vehicle body. There are 4 adjusting foot pads at the bottom of the front and the rear leg tubes. Twist the foot pads to make it close to the ground until the vehicle body doesn't shake. To adjust the resistance, turn the resistance adjustment knob. The clockwise direction is to increase the resistance, and the counterclockwise direction is to decrease the resistance. When riding, if you want to stop, just press the resistor knob. It's also very convenient to move the spinning bike. One foot against the front leg of the bike. Hold the rear leg of the body with both hands to push the bike body, and the armrest will force the front of the bike. How to link Yesoul app. When using the spinning bike for the first time, remove the insulating sheet on the flywheel of the vehicle body. Make sure that the Bluetooth function of the mobile phone is turned on. If you have not downloaded the app, you can scan the QR code on the tablet holder to download it, and enter the home page of the Yesoul app. Go to the My Equipment interface. Click on the spinning bike. Then step on and spinning the bicycle for about 30 seconds to establish a connection. Select a course to enter, and click on the machine icon in the upper right corner. After the first connection, the app will automatically pair the spinning bike. For the second use, please go directly to the course and step on the spinning bike. Please make sure that not other users are connected to the spinning bike before use. After 10 minutes of stopping pedaling, the spinning bike was disconnected.